guys, this is me Angana Shane and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. So recently on 12th October 2021, I went to visit East Sikkim and I did a vlog of the places which I visited there, which I wanted to share with all of you. So yeah, here it is. I hope you all will like this. So let's start this vlog without any further ado. So yeah, here it is. Good morning, this is day 1 and from today we are going to start our original journey. Yesterday we came to Siliguri at almost 11 pm and today our destination is Silarigao. If you are looking for a paradise amid the mesmeric beauty of hills and lush green around, then the enchanting beauty of Silarigao should be your upcoming travel destination. The virgin beauty of this almost unexplored little hamlet will fill your heart with bliss. We reached Silarigao at 4 pm and then had our lunch, and then we went to visit the first spot of our day 1, that is Ramiti Viewpoint. Our first spot of day 1 is Ramiti Viewpoint. At a distance of 3 km walk by Silarigao and 17 km from Pedong, Ramiti Viewpoint is a picturesque viewpoint situated at Silarigao near Pedong in Kalimpong district of West Bengal. It is one of the stunning vintage points in Pedong and among the best places to experience Pedong tourism. Situated at an altitude of about 6,400 feet, Ramiti Viewpoint offers some mesmerizing views of both Mount Kanchenjunga above and the Tista River below. The viewpoint is also unique as it offers the longest view of River Tista, which is the biggest river of Sikkim and Darjeeling. Good morning. This is day 2. and I seriously don't know what I was doing at the beginning of the video, so please ignore. So yeah, this is the view from our hotel's balcony and it was absolutely mesmerizing. I hope you all liked it. Day 2's first spot was Silent Valley. The soothing pine wrapped valley of Silarigao is situated at an elevation of 6,000 feet. It is only 8 kilometers from Pedok. Our second spot of day 2 was Sri Vishwavinayak Mandir. Sri Vishwavinayak Mandir, also called Ganesh Mandir, is a Hindu temple of Ganesha. It is located in Renok, Rangdang, East Sikkim, India. Sri Vishwavinayak Mandir was inaugurated by Sri Dinesh Chandra, General Secretary of Vishwa Hindu Parishad, accompanied by the Chief Minister Sri Pawan Chamling at a beautiful landscape on Rangdang village in Renok on 3rd October 2016.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Our third spot of day 2 was Rishikhola. Rishikhola, also spelled as Reshikhola, is an offbeat destination located along the Sikkim border in the Kalimpong of West Bengal. It is flanked along the banks of meandering river stream. Rishikhola is located at a distance of 36 km from Kalimpong. Riverside camping is one of the favored tourist activities in Rishikhola. Our fourth spot of day 2 was Aritar Lake. Our fifth spot of day 2 was Rongli Market. After this, we reached Rolep at 3 p.m. and had our lunch. After we had our lunch, we went to see the hanging bridge and the Rompo Khola.
हवाओं में बहेंगे, घटाओं में रहेंगे, तू बरखा मेरी मैं तेरा बादल पिया। जो तेरे ना हुए तो किसी के ना रहेंगे, दीवानी तू मेरी मैं तेरा पागल पिया। हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली है, एक रांझा और हीर जैसी। न जाने ये ज़माना क्यों चाहे रे मिटाना, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया। कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया। पिया 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 रे।
Our first spot of day 3 was Buddha Waterfalls. You can visit the 40 feet high Buddha Waterfalls on Shoki Khola River and take in the pure bliss of natural endowments. Our second spot of day 2 was Q Khola. After that, we reached Zuluk at 2 p.m. and had our lunch. After we had our lunch, we went for a short walk. Our first spot of day 4 was Thambi Viewpoint. At 11,200 feet, Thambi Viewpoint offers a panoramic view of Mount Kanchenjunga, located at a distance of 14 kilometers from Zuluk on the famous zigzag road, locally called Bhul Bhulaiya for its 30-year pine turns. Thambi is a roadside viewpoint that opens up suddenly to Mount Kanchenjunga. Our second spot of day 4 was Nathang Valley.
और जीने को क्या चाहिए, हाँ तुम मिले दिल खिले, और जीने को क्या चाहिए। ना हो तू उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगा जिंदगी भर, ना हो तू उदास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगा जिंदगी भर। सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझी में खाया, तू मिले दिल खिले।
Our third spot of day 4 was Baba Harbhajan Singh Temple.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Our fourth spot of day 3 was Elephant Lake. Our fifth spot of day 4 was New Baba Temple. was it. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. After visiting the Gangtok Mall, we went to our hotels, and on the next day we again returned back to Siliguri, and from there we had our bus in the evening, and then on 18th October 2021 we came back to Kolkata in the morning at 10 a.m.